Now that's what I call high quality H2O.
Okay guys, now that we have all of our measurements, we can use our saturation index wheel to figure out exactly what our saturation index is. What is the saturation index? That is a measurement to tell you how scale forming or corrosive your water is. So we don't want it to be scale forming nor corrosive, we want it to be balanced. So that's what we're going for. So here we go. What we're gonna do is we're gonna set the pH. I know this is kind of hard to see guys, I'll hold it real close. We're gonna set the pH right there at what the reading was, 7.2. Then we come over here to the hardness at 1000 and we set that right to where the alkalinity is at 90. So 1000 and 90 match up, 7.2 matches up right where the arrow is. Now what we're gonna do is look at the temperature. See how the temperature over here on the side is about 78 degrees right now is the temperature of the water. That means our saturation index is 0.2. 0.2. If the saturation index is greater than 0.5, then the water can become cloudy or deposit scale. If the saturation index is less than negative 0.3, the water can become corrosive to concrete, plaster, and metal surfaces. That's why the saturation index is important. So that being said, the saturation index of this pool is 0.2, meaning it is neither scale forming nor corrosive. It is well balanced. Now we know the alkalinity level is low, so we do want to increase that because alkalinity is a pH buffer. It helps keep your pH from fluctuating too much, helps kind of keep it locked in. So we are going to add a little sodium bicarbonate. That's going to increase, that's going to cause that 0.2 to go probably up to a 0.3, but we're still not going to be in the scale forming range. We're still going to be in the balanced range. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go get some sodium bicarbonate and add some of that. We don't need shock, but we do need some tabs to maintain the chlorine level until the next visit.